Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys cock and ballsack ring. So let's get started. So this is the cock and ballsack ring itself from the EasyToys men's only collection. Now this provides a longer and harder erection and is perfect for the man who wants more. It's made of a body-safe silicone, so it feels very soft and comfortable on the skin while wearing. And it's also very stretchy as well to provide a good fit. This stretchy fit allows it to fit nicely on the penis and ballsack and won't be too tight. Now, when using this cock and ballsack ring, we would recommend for you to wear it with water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use. And for this, we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the EasyToys flexible cock and ballsack ring. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.